Hey guys, Joanne here with Newegg TV. I'm here to do an overview on this Lenovo 27-inch IPS LED monitor, and the model number is LI2721s W. Here's everything that comes in the box, but I'll go over the accessories first and give you a quick demo on how to install this stand onto the monitor. So here is a look at the metal stand. It's very sturdy. It's very easy to put together. And here is your install guide, user CD, limited warranty, and this is your power cord and D-sub cable. So I'm gonna go ahead and just walk around the table here, show you how to install this. It's a very, very simple, straightforward procedure. So you just line up the points here to the one on the monitor, like so. Give me a moment. And screw it into place. It's very simple. And there you have it. Oh, let me just orient this straight up. Let's take a look at some of the features listed here and here before I take off the protective cover. So, it is a TFT, which stands for Thin Film Transistor Panel Type, and it is an active matrix LCD. It comes with an IPS display, which stands for in-plane switching, and you get viewing angles of 178 degrees by 178 degrees, with horizontally and vertically. Now, over here in this section, we'll start on this end. You get a native contrast ratio of 1000 to 1, as well as full HD 1080p, and it is Novel Vision ready, which means that it optimizes the screen for specific tasks, and it is TCO certified, which means that for user safety, ease of use, as well as it's eco-friendly, and it is Energy Star certified, which means it should consume no more than 1 watt on off mode and 2 watts in sleep mode, and it should definitely consume less than 20% less power versus the non-compliant monitors. One last thing, it is mercury free. Here we have the monitor with all of the covers taken off. It measures 24.63 inches wide, and with the stand, it measures 17.53 inches tall, as well as 7.47 inches deep. I'm just gonna quickly turn this around so I can show you the thickness and what it looks like. There we go. Now let me turn this back around. And this is a 27-inch monitor measured diagonally, and you get a response time of 14 milliseconds, and it tilts 5 degrees forward and 20 degrees backwards. So let me go ahead and turn this to the back. Here is the power port, and your HDMI port is right here. DVI-D connection stands for DVI digital, and you get a max resolution of 2560 by 1600. And next to that is your D-sub connector and your audio jack. Now the audio out only works for in HDMI mode. I have the monitor plugged in via HDMI to give you a look at the visuals and the options that come with these touch buttons here. This is the power button. There it goes. Just wait a second for it to load. And you press that twice to turn the monitor off. Now, this button here is the input change, so you can switch your video input source. Oh, there it is. And this one is the exit button, as well as the DDC-CI button. So you press and hold for 10 seconds to enable or disable the DDC function. And what that does is, well, it stands for Display Data Channel, and it adjusts the monitor's parameters. And next to that is the image setup. It activates automatic image adjustment, also the left arrow key, and the button next to that is Novel Vision. Let's head into that real quick, where you get 4 different viewing modes: text mode, web pick mode, video mode, split screen display. All right, let's exit out of there. And next to that is the menu. So let's take a quick look through the menu. We have the brightness, contrast adjust, the image properties, options, And there we have it. So one last thing I want to go over that might be of some use to you, if you would prefer to turn off the monitor's touch key volume, let's do this, is to press the exit key, then press the image setup key to turn off the volume. That wraps up our overview on this Lenovo 27-inch IPS LED monitor. I'm Joanne, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our Newegg YouTube channel. Thanks for watching Newegg TV, and we'll see you next time.